What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trading stocks to put you at advantage on the market. Hey guys, so we're breaking down Sndl or SNDL. I wasn't gonna break down this stock today, but it is 420, so I might as well. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're using multiple time frame analysis like always. We're starting at the daily time frame to see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in, and we're going to use prior price action movements to predict our analysis and define these levels to put us at an advantage on the market. So let me go ahead and just explain to you how I found these lines and what they represent. This top line represents our highest previous tested area, and we can see that this candlestick came up, got rejected, pulled back a little bit, double top retest. We tested it again, ultimately got rejected and pulled back down to our major support level that's been tested. We can see that these two candlesticks that are resting on this level, which we're currently at right now, we look left, we have these two candlesticks resting on our support, and then the rest, if we needed to find more candlesticks in the area to further test, we would just go farther back in time and we can apply those. So just like these candlesticks over here on the opposite side working as resistance, you can see that they came up, kind of were consolidating against this, trying to push up against this resistance, trying to create a breakout. Ultimately we did. We pulled back a little bit and then gapped back up onto our support. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys. These are areas where candlesticks tend to bounce, reverse, or react in these areas. So where does that put us as of right now? We're up and fluctuating between 8 to 10%, which is really good. It's really good to see after pulling back for, I mean, since last month, you guys. We've just been in this pure downtrend until we've hit this major support line. Now we're kind of evening out. With us being over that dollar mark, we're going to be above these candlesticks, so we're going to be deeply penetrating these candlesticks. So this is really a good sign of a start of a reversal. So if you were to get in, like I said, always have your stop loss on the opposite side of the support or resistance of where you're looking at, so you have an advantage. So if it does drop below this, have your stop loss there, so if things do go sour, you'll be able to get tagged out and protect your portfolio. I would have that maybe in the 70-cent area or 72-cent area, and then your first target for today for a day trader or a scalp trader, maybe between a little bit above $1, and then if you're swing or core trading, it would be back up here at maybe the $1.23 or $1.70 area, because you are going to be holding long term. Things are going to be different if you're day trading or scalp trading. You start from the daily time frame and then break down to a smaller time frame to get a more accurate entry. But like I said, you as an aggressive trader, you could get in right now, have your stop loss below this, and then set your first target. So when you're getting into any stock, you want to have your first target set. You want to have an idea of where your entry is going to be, and then obviously where you're going to have your stop loss or your mental stop loss if you decide to manually get out, which is perfectly fine. You just got to be right on that if things start to move really quickly, so you can protect your portfolio. With us being up 11%, you guys, that is a really good sign that we will start this reversal. So if you're more of a safer trader and you want more confirmation that we are breaking this downtrend, what you could do is you could wait for us to the market to open to actually visually see these candlesticks, for it to come back up and come back down and rest on these candlesticks, so that way we can test this new support level and basically show that we're creating this new trend. So I like to make these videos a little bit quick, so that way you guys can just take what I just explained to you and apply it to your own analysis. And if you like the charts that I break down, put some stocks down below that I can break down for you guys, so I have content to create. But don't do so without hitting that like and subscribe button, you guys. It means a lot for me and allows me to do this for you guys daily. But other than that, you guys have a beautiful day and happy 420.